All right, let's jump right in. We're talking about a technology that's completely remixing, well, pretty much the definition of what it means to be a musician, an artist, or even just a listener. And look, this isn't some far-off sci-fi concept. It's happening right now, and believe me, it is reshaping our creative world forever.
I mean, seriously, think about that for a second. That song you absolutely love, the one that's stuck in your head, what if its hook, its soul, was actually generated by lines of code? This question, it's not a what if anymore. It's the new reality we're all plugging into.
And when I say this is happening now, I mean it is absolutely exploding in a way that's kind of hard to wrap your head around. We're witnessing a huge viral wave of people adopting a brand new creative tool. This is like the big bang of a new musical universe.
Okay, so get this. We looked at the data, and searches for AI music generator have surged 99 times. Let that sink in. That's not a 10% jump or even a doubling. That is a colossal trend-defining explosion of pure interest. It's a signal that something fundamental is shifting.
And the scale of this thing is just staggering. We're not talking about some niche tool for audio nerds anymore. AI music generation is now one of the most searched AI topics in the entire United States, right up there with the big players. So yeah, everyone is paying attention. So the million-dollar question is, how in the world does this even work? How can a machine compose a melody that actually makes you feel something? Well, it's not magic, but it is a fascinating piece of tech that's surprisingly easy to grasp.
The heart of it all is something called deep learning. Just picture an AI that has listened to and analyzed literally thousands and thousands of songs across every genre you can imagine. It learns the patterns, what chords vibe together, what makes a melody catchy, how a certain beat creates a mood. It's like a musical apprentice with an infinite record collection.
And actually using it is shockingly simple. You don't program it, you just talk to it. You can give it a simple prompt like this one, and the AI will pull from its massive training to create a totally original piece of music that fits what you asked for, right down to the specific musical key.
Or you can get way more specific. You can ask for a pop chorus, you can mention a certain style, you can even name drop a famous artist. The AI gets these stylistic cues and can whip up something that sounds incredibly familiar, yet is 100% brand new. And this, right here, is the game changer. The barrier to entry for making music has basically just disappeared. You don't need years of music theory or the ability to shred on a guitar anymore. All you need is an idea and the words to describe it. This is a huge democratization of creativity.
Okay, so let's talk about how this is actually showing up in the real world. This tech isn't just stuck in a lab somewhere. It's already out there and it's actively shaping the music we're listening to every single day. The new soundscape has arrived.
You've got hobbyists creating whole albums in an afternoon. Independent artists who can't afford that pricey studio time are using AI to quickly lay down demos and flesh out their ideas. We're even seeing streaming services testing out playlists that are made up entirely of AI tracks. It's literally everywhere, from brand new genres and remixes to the jingles you hear in commercials. But with any tech revolution this big, there's always a debate, and the conversation around AI music is really heating up. We are standing at a crossroads between this unbelievable new creative freedom and some very, very serious questions. This little phrase really gets to the heart of the fear for a lot of artists and music lovers. Is music just about the perfect arrangement of notes, or does its real value come from the human experience, the struggle, the joy, the heartbreak that gets poured into it? Are we about to replace real emotion with cold, hard algorithms?
So you can really boil this whole debate down to two totally different camps, right? In one corner, you've got the argument that AI is this incredible creativity booster. It's making music creation accessible to everyone, and it's a super cost-effective tool. But in the other corner, you have some really serious concerns. We're talking a legal nightmare of copyright issues, the risk of undervaluing what human artists do, and that deep fear that we might just drown out genuine human emotion.
So where does all this leave us? Is it going to be a battle of humans versus machines? Well, probably not. The future isn't about replacement. It's about collaboration. The future of music is a remix of human talent and artificial intelligence. I think we're going to see a whole new class of collaborative tools where the AI generates the raw ideas and humans come in to add the nuance, the performance, and that final emotional polish. We'll probably see brand new hybrid genres that just couldn't exist without this kind of partnership.
And make no mistake, the industry is already on board. Major labels and A-list artists are experimenting with this stuff right now.
Which brings us all the way back to the most personal question of all. Forget the industry, forget the artists for a minute. Let's talk about you. If a song moves you, if it makes you want to dance or even cry, does it really matter where it came from? Be honest with yourself. Your answer might actually surprise you.
Look, this conversation is only just getting started. If you want to stay on top of how AI is transforming, well, everything, then make sure you subscribe to AI Future Trends. We do deep dives just like this one into the tech that is defining our future. You don't want to miss it.